In this lesson, we will learn the use of hope that in Urdu sentences. In Urdu, we read it as उम्मीद है कि, उम्मीद है कि. Alif, Mim, choti ye and dal. Umeed, and on alif we have pesh here, making the sound of oo, umeed, umeed. So umeed hai ke, for example, hopefully that it will rain tomorrow. Umeed hai ke kal barish hogi. So hopefully, umeed hai ke kal barish hogi, it will rain tomorrow. Okay. In Urdu, the K, Kaf hai K is used in place of that in English. So hopefully that umeed hai ke it will rain tomorrow, kal barish hogi. Because it will rain, this is future indefinite tense, so we are using ga, gi, ge in the end of the sentence. So उम्मीद है कि कल बारिश होगी. I hope it will rain tomorrow. Now with subject. मुझे उम्मीद है. I hope मुझे उम्मीद है. Or we can use मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ. This is more literary, but in common use it is we use मुझे उम्मीद है कि कल बारिश होगी. I, my, me. So मुझे is actually translation of the me in English. And in case of we are us, हमें. So मुझे उम्मीद है कल बारिश होगी. I hope it will rain tomorrow. We hope it will rain tomorrow. हमें उम्मीद है कि कल बारिश होगी. Are you hopeful that it will rain tomorrow? Now it is question. क्या आपको उम्मीद है? Are you hopeful? क्या आपको उम्मीद है that के it will rain tomorrow, कल बारिश होगी. Is he hopeful or is she hopeful that it will rain tomorrow? क्या उसे उम्मीद है कि कल बारिश होगी? Are they hopeful that shop will be open tomorrow? क्या उन्हें उम्मीद है कि कल दुकान खुली होगी? Whenever we are using will be opened, be in Urdu होना, so we will use होगी. Will be होगी. Are they hopeful that shop will be open tomorrow? क्या उन्हें उम्मीद है कि कल दुकान खुली होगी? And if it is in simple future tense, are they hopeful that shop will open tomorrow? क्या उन्हें उम्मीद है कि कल दुकान खुलेगी? So we will use खुली होगी if the sentences will be opened, if the sentence is in the passive form. And if it is in active form, are they hopeful that shop will open tomorrow? क्या उन्हें उम्मीद है कि कल दुकान खुलेगी? Was he hopeful that he would pass the examination? Was he hopeful? It is question, interrogative sentence. क्या उसे उम्मीद थी that के he would pass the exam, वो इम्तहान पास कर लेगा. क्या उसे उम्मीद थी कि वो इम्तहान पास कर लेगा? I am hopeful that I will reach office on time. मुझे उम्मीद है कि मैं वक्त पर ऑफिस पहुंच जाऊंगा. On time, वक्त पर. I am hopeful that we will reach office on time. मुझे उम्मीद है कि हम वक्त पर ऑफिस पहुंच जाएंगे. I am hopeful that you will reach office on time. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप वक्त पर ऑफिस पहुंच जाएंगे. I am hopeful that he will reach office on time. मुझे उम्मीद है कि वो वक्त पर ऑफिस पहुंच जाएगा. I am hopeful that she will reach office on time. मुझे उम्मीद है कि वो वक्त पर ऑफिस पहुंच जाएगी. and I am hopeful that they will reach office on time. मुझे उम्मीद है कि वो वक्त पर ऑफिस पहुंच जाएंगे. In these sentences there are two parts. One is I am hopeful, and then we use the second part of the sentence. हमें उम्मीद है, मुझे उम्मीद है, आपको उम्मीद है, उसे उम्मीद है, उन्हें उम्मीद है, असलम को उम्मीद है, मरियम को उम्मीद है, मुझे उम्मीद है, हमें उम्मीद है कि आर यू होपफुल, क्या आपको उम्मीद है, एंड सो ऑन. So that's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.